In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams group chat picture in just about 5 minutes. It's a fantastic way to personalize your group chat, making it easier for everyone to recognize it at a glance. Let's dive into the process. First things first, let's get you into your Microsoft Teams account. Using any web browser of your choice, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and use your account credentials to log in. This is your gateway into customizing your Teams experience, so make sure you're entering the correct details. Once you're successfully signed in, your next step is to head over to the chat section. You'll find it easily accessible, usually on the left-hand side of the Teams interface. This is where all your conversations live, so you're likely already pretty familiar with this area. Now here comes the fun part, selecting your group chat. Scroll through your chat list until you find the group chat you want to revamp with a new picture. Click on it to open the chat window. It's all about giving your group chat its own unique identity. With your group chat open, it's time to locate the group chat avatar. This is usually found at the top of your chat window. It might currently be a default image or an older picture you're looking to update. Go ahead and click on this avatar. It's the gateway to personalizing your chat. Here's where you get to unleash your creativity. After clicking on the group chat avatar, you'll see the option to upload picture or choose an emoji. If you're opting for a picture, think of something that represents your group well. It could be a logo, a memorable photo, or anything significant to your team. Click on Upload Picture to proceed. Selecting Choose a Group Picture prompts you to browse through your files to find the perfect photo. Take your time to choose the right one. After you've selected the picture, don't forget the essential step of saving your changes. This locks in your new group chat picture, instantly updating across all members' platforms, and it's as simple as that. You've now successfully personalized your Microsoft Teams group chat with a new picture. This small change can make a big difference in making your group chat feel more inviting and identifiable. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime you feel like the group chat needs a fresh look. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on making the most out of Microsoft Teams.